Alright, today we're going to start the surface area of triangular prisms. That means it's what wraps around a triangular prism. Okay? The lateral surface area is just basically the rectangle parts of the triangle prism. The total surface area is the rectangle parts plus the triangle's bases. Okay? So this is a triangle prism. The triangle is the base. We're going to do the lateral and total surface area of this shape. So the lateral surface area of a prism is S equals pH. There's the word lateral right there. So S equals pH. All right, S. The perimeter is of the base. All right, so 10 plus 10 plus 10 times the height of the prism, which is 20. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 is 30. And 30 times 20 is 600. Let's just say units squared. All right, now let's find the total surface area of the same triangular prism. So the total surface area formula right there, it says total prism S equals pH plus 2b. SA is short for surface area, so S equals pH plus 2p. So P is the perimeter. So since we just did this first part right here for the same triangle prism, I'm just going to bring the 600 down. Okay, the 2. Big B stands for area of the base. So I'm going to write that formula because big B comes from right here. It is a triangle, so 1/2 base times height. So bring the numbers down. Now I'm going to fill in numbers. The base of that triangle is 10. And the height of that triangle is 5. So 2 times 10 times 5, which is 50. Or if you don't have a calculator, you could go 2 times 10 times 5 divided by 2, and I'm still going to get 50. So 600 plus 50 equals 650 units squared. Okay, don't forget the perimeter is add all the base sides big B, area of the base shape. Okay.